Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the dollar index, as our dollar is going to be the main mover in the market this week as the Federal Reserve meeting minutes come out on Wednesday, and also later in the week we have the Jackson Hole Symposium. Now what that is basically is a load of Federal Reserve members. There'll be Fed Chairman Powell will be attending, economists, people that are involved with the markets all meet up to talk about the long-term financial economy plans and basically the market outlook for what they expect to see or what they're looking for and their main concerns of the economy. Now that is likely to be a big mover for the US dollar. There is a lot to talk about in terms of current rates suggestions. The trade war between the US and China will probably be mentioned. The risks of all those together. So we could start seeing a little bit of downside risk to the US dollar. And the reason being is simply because they need the US dollar to be moving lower. There is a lot of risks in terms of recession in the US. The 2 and 10-year yields have now crossed, and typically when that happens it's not a good sign for the overall economy, and a recession usually follows when we see those sorts of things happening. So essentially what we're looking for is the market to potentially sell off the US dollar so that they can start building the curve back up, essentially. So what we're looking for is the market to reject this area very the same as what we saw over here. Now the market's pierced it. What I expect to happen is potentially a 3-drive pattern in there for a move down, or at least a break of this trend line support running through. So that's what I'm expecting to see. Maybe a nice big move, and the current price action isn't very strong moving into this area through here. If I just move this out of the way, you can see we're starting to get just a little bit of sellers coming back in, not a lot of movement going on, which also that slowdown in price action suggests we could see another move down. I expect the lows to be tested if we do get that move, so we be aware of this week. It's going to be a big move for the US dollar, so if you are in any US dollar trades, make sure you monitor those appropriately. Thanks for watching. This has been John Kibler, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're watching on TradingView, give us a follow. How do you see the dollar playing out this week?